Oh no. Oh no. Oh no, no, oh no. Oh no. Oh no! Oh dear. I mean, I feel like me, I have like, you know, I can enjoy, oh my, a beautiful view without losing my mind. I wonder how you guys feel when playing this game. Would you repopulate with Eve? Yeah, so that's the thing is like, how is that gonna work? I may have the womb, but she does not have the, you know, even if I can provide the womb, she has nothing to provide as far as I know. Ah, that one was what she cosplayed. So she cosplayed her naked. Skin suit. Sheesh. All right then. Oh, I have something here. What? Wait, that's... Oh, it's already on there. Okay. All I see is Haneame. No, but it's just visual, right? It doesn't have any stats. Right? Wow! Oh. Eh? Eh? Is it translucent? I think this part is translucent. The lighter part has some fabric. But this part is like plastic, huh? Oh, I don't have shields now. Whatever. Hard mode. Challenge. This is nothing for me. Because I will be stronger. Thanks to this. Well, can we see it in action a little bit? Like just one fight. Whoa. Whoa. Someone fight me. Yeah! I don't need no shields! The power of horny is keeping me strong! What's this doing? Lift should work? Okay. Oh. Oh my, oh, kind of skill for this or knowledge, but you're so lucky that I had this angle. I'm a little bit flustered. Well, I didn't even pay attention to what we got from that. What did we get from the chest, do you know? You probably don't know either, do you? Sorry, don't know. I got enlightenment. Distracted by cake. I didn't see it even. There was a chest. I only saw ass. 너무너무 예쁘다. 귀여워.